Hello children, today we are going to deal with chapter 4, that is plant life. So in this very chapter we are going to deal with the life of a plant. So all of you know that green plants, they are autotrophic. That means they can prepare their own food. They can synthesize their own food by the process called photosynthesis. So this word photosynthesis, it is actually made up of two words, photo and synthesis. Okay, photo means light and synthesis means to make, to build. So that means the synthesis of food by the light. Okay, so there is one part of the plant that is known as chloroplast. This chloroplast, in this chloroplast, the process of photosynthesis takes place. So for the process of photosynthesis, what are the raw materials? Carbon dioxide, water, light energy, chlorophyll. In the presence of all these factors, the synthesis of food is occurring. That means glucose is being formed by the plant and this oxygen is being released as a byproduct. Okay, so from where the plant is getting this carbon dioxide? This plant is getting carbon dioxide through the opening, through the tiny pores which is known as stomata. Okay, through the stomata it is taking the carbon dioxide. Water, it is absorbing it from the soil, okay, through the roots, and from the roots it is traveling, the water is traveling to the stem and then it is get distributed to different parts of the plant. Sunlight, the light energy it is taking from the sun, and this light energy help in the chemical process. That means it get converted into chemical energy and thus the glucose is being formed. So children, as you can see in this figure, the root, okay, root, stem, leaves. So through the roots the water is being absorbed and transported to the leaves, and in the leaves chlorophyll, it is a chlorophyll containing leaf. This leaves absorbing the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, light energy from the atmosphere, and when these all these raw materials are present, then leaf is making its own food. Okay, the chemical reaction is taking place and glucose is being formed and oxygen is getting released. So whatever extra glucose the plant is having, it is storing it in the form of starch. And in the emergency situation, when the plant is not able to make the food, it use this starch, it break down this starch and use it as a food. Okay. Now the process of photosynthesis, it is actually happening in three steps. First step, what is happening? The plant is absorbing the light. Okay, the plant is absorbing the sunlight, and through where it is absorbing, this absorption of sunlight is happening by the chlorophyll. And in the second step, what is happening? This light energy is getting converted into chemical energy. Okay, so what is happening in this process? The water molecules, that is H2O, it separates. Okay, hydrogen atom gets separated from the oxygen atom and the oxygen is getting released. Now the H that is left, okay, it will combine, it will reduce the carbon dioxide, that is CO2. And when this reaction between the CO2 and H is happening, it is leading to the formation of glucose, that is C6H12O6. Okay, so this is the way how plant is forming glucose and releasing oxygen. It is happening in the three step. So what the desert plants do, they absorb the carbon dioxide during the night time and make a intermediate food. And when in the next morning, when the sun is there, it absorbs the sunlight energy and then it convert the intermediate food into the food and it is releasing the energy. Okay, this is the way how the desert plants make their food. So thank you children.